What up, Oklahoma Hustle crew? It's been a while, I know, but I'm still making videos on TikTok and stuff like that. So today we are going to the shop, and my wife got some flush mount LED tail lights from Oracle. We're gonna put those in, and then she's also got the Z Automotive forward-facing camera. We're gonna install that. Precursor, I have watched YouTube videos on how to do it, which is totally fine. I think a lot of other people do it too. You got to learn somehow. That's my plan. That's my goal. Tail lights and a front-facing camera. So I'm headed there now, and I'll pick up back when we get there. All right. Hope y'all can see everything. I got you away from the fan over there. That's why we're at the back of the Jeep. But we got some Oracle lights. Let's go ahead and Oracle lighting. So let's go ahead and open this up. We're going to start with these because in theory, these should be the easiest. Okay, so it looks to be plug and play. Just we'll pop open these little caps, take the old ones out, put these new ones in. Looks like you just snap them into the clips that are already there. You can see. And it's already got a resistor on the light itself to help combat any flickering or ghost flicker. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's knock this out that we are working in. See that little, it's actually a plastic screw. We got to get that out. The headlight will pretty much fall out. Then we'll just swap in the new one. We'll try to zip tie up the resistor away from the wire and electrical because they do get hot. So all right, so as you can see, there's like a plastic screw with a spring on it, and that's what holds this light in. And then you just bam, just like that, just pull it out, pop this connector off. Hold please while I read these instructions. So it actually says in the instructions, which I normally never read, but it does say that we must take this bracket. Can you see this? Can you see this? There is a bracket on the outside of this tail light. So we're going to take it off, put it on the new tail light, and we are supposed to disconnect the harness from this as well. And it also says that if these were halogen lights, which they are not, these are LED, that we would run this resistor that comes with said Oracle lights. But since we were already running LED, we do not have to do that. So we can just remove said resistor and add it to our pile of other resistors. So let me go get a Phillips head screwdriver and I will be right back. Y'all can see this. Looks like it's just 4 screws. There we go, just like that. Bam, just like that. That's the bracket. And we're just gonna zip tie this little piece up that was supposed to be for the resistor, because I'm just trying to make it clean. And then we'll snap this. Actually, before I go and do that, let me just put this one on. Snap in, clip on. Shoot, dog, shoot. That's what it's gonna look like. Nice, flush. Ooh, wait. Man, that looks good. Bang. Let's get the wife out here to see if I know this is plug and play, but I don't really care. It's cool to me. Check it. Yep. I got that. Let me go hit the... I just wiped my head. Let's see what you can see. All right. This is what we're working on. We're just putting the bracket on the new light. I could use a little drill, you know, with a Phillips head on it, but whatever. I don't want the plastic to break. I don't want to break anything, so I'm pretty good at breaking stuff. So. Okay, so now we're gonna come back outside the car. Like so. You see, got the plug. This plug in. Bam. Click your little red tab down. Slide that in there. Right on up. Just like so. Then you're gonna take this and put it in this hole in the back. I guess I should be bringing you along, huh? Bringing you along. All right. So where we're at, we're just gonna disconnect this plug. So what you do, push up on the red, then that clears it. Then you just push on this little tab right here, and it'll probably be dirty, a little rough, tough to get out, but you just kind of push down and wiggle. Once you get some wiggle in there, it'll come free. Yeah, there it goes. See, just like that. All right, lighting in the workspace. That's great. Okay, so I got that. We are going to go ahead and prep this. We're going to remove our resistor. Remove the resistor. Okay, and then we will be using this plug, so we will zip tie these two up. Basically, just like the other one. Okay, so as you can see, we have our second light. Brackets put in, parts are zip tied up, harness hanging out. Let's go ahead and put it in. Same thing. I'll flip this bad boy over. Oh, I had it right. There we go. Like so. You're gonna push down your red button so it locks. Slide this in, and like so. Just like so. It's gonna stay right there while I tighten it up from the inside. Show. Look at that. Thin that is. Nice sleek. You won't have to worry about a tree grabbing it and ripping it off anymore. Look good. I'm gonna let her do the honors and peel the plastic off. Make a cool TikTok video of it. Got all that. Put this little cover back on. Snaps right in. All right, everybody. Well, that's it for the taillight installation. Like I said, pretty easy, straightforward, plug and play. Now,